Okay, hello, welcome back. I'd like to be under the sea, in an octopus's garden, in the shade. The chords are B, E, B, A, B, E, C sharp, A, B, and so on and so forth. I think it's safe to say this is in the key of A major. E major. Did I say A? I meant E. I'd like to be, that's E, under the sea, that's C sharp minor. In an octopus's garden, that's A. In the shade, B, the fifth of E major. E, F, G, A, B. He let us in, knows where we've been, in his octopus's garden in the shade. So that's the first measure or so. Then it goes down to C sharp minor. I'd ask my friends to come and see. That line's all in C sharp minor. Then A. And octopus is up a whole step, garden with me. Ba-da-ba-ba-bum. So that is basically the pattern for most of the song. E major. We would be warm, C sharp minor, beneath the storm. Can you guess what's next? That's right, it's A. In a little hideaway beneath the waves, resting our head on the seabed, in an octopus's garden near a cave. We would sing and dance around, because we know we can't be found. I'd like to be under the sea, in an octopus's garden in the shade. That's E. Resolves on E, goes into the solo section. The chords for the solo section are as follows. A, F sharp minor, D, E, A, F sharp minor, D, E, A, B. That signals going into the next verse. We would shout and swim about the coral that lies beneath the waves. Oh, what joy for every girl and boy, knowing they're happy and they're safe. We would be so happy, you and me, no one there to tell us what to do. I'd like to be, that's it, under the sea, in an octopus's garden with you. That goes back to the C sharp minor for the last measure, the outro. A, in an octopus's garden, that's B, with C sharp minor, U. In an octopus's garden with you. In an octopus's garden with E, B, E. It ends with the, what is that, a perfect cadence? 1, 5, 1, perfect cadence? Yeah, I think it is. Well, it's been fun. I hope it's more fun for you. I apologize for the lack of excitedness or comedy or whatever it is. But this video is primarily meant to be instructional and as a way for me to stay grounded. I hope you like this channel, and I hope to keep bringing you more awesome content. Thank you.